Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Firehouse Subs, Rewards and Ordering app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Firehouse Subs is a restaurant app designed to make ordering and earning rewards easier. It allows users to browse the full menu, customize sandwiches, order ahead for pickup or delivery, and earn points through the Firehouse Rewards program. Every purchase earns points that can be redeemed for free subs, combo upgrades, or exclusive offers. The app is available on both iOS and Android and supports secure payments for fast checkout. The app's main feature is its Firehouse Rewards system, which automatically tracks your orders and applies points to your account. It also saves your favorite meals for faster reordering and helps you locate the nearest Firehouse Subs restaurant. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, quick ordering process, and generous reward system. The app makes it convenient for loyal customers to earn free food and skip in-store lines. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users report occasional login issues or trouble redeeming rewards during checkout. The app also depends on internet access for placing and tracking orders. In summary, the Firehouse Subs app may be worth using if you frequently eat at Firehouse Subs and want a fast way to earn rewards, order ahead, and enjoy exclusive deals. However, if you rarely visit or prefer ordering in person, it may not be essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.